Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm your friendly vampire Skarlett. Today I'm gonna react to some more Bungo Stray Dogs episode 12. In the last episode, we learned that was Kenji, I believe, the Tom Sawyer, the kid that is dressed like Tom Sawyer, grew up in some sort of a village, and he has super strength, but only when he's hungry. Otherwise, whenever he eats, he sleeps. So that's kind of a weird drawback of his ability. Anyway, besides that, we still haven't seen Dazai back at the agency. He's still on his solo mission to find whoever set the bounty on Atsushi. So this is where we're gonna pick up from. But before that, remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment. It helps with the channel growth and to move the algorithm along. It's a tremendous help, and I appreciate every bit. So thank you very much. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you may be notified whenever I post a video. And without any further ado, let us get straight into it. Do I sell miso soup? He's your personal maid. He's back! He's gaslighting you. Also, are you not going to ask him where you are? What exactly? You're about to find out. Also, you can't just land an helicopter in the middle of a highway. What? Fukuna. Fukuzawa. Yes! Yeah, we do not care about that.
You are kidding. He is kidding, right?
Is he stupid, this guy? What happened? Where is it? What'd you do to him? Hello? Is there ability something where you can't answer to her? Yeah, she's got a point there. Oh, she has no powers. Okay, you guys are weird. They're gonna disappear. And gone. This guy. You don't know what her power is and you just charge at her. Ah. Zawarudo. And what exactly is the game you propose? Lucy M ability. And of Abyssal Red.
This does not bode well.
No, I'm out. Sorry, but I'm letting you all die. I'm leaving. Wasn't that little girl that was in the room with the leader of the port mafia? The one who was drawing on the ground. That's her, right?
Yes, it is.
I don't trust him.
Tag. What? What happened when she touches us? You didn't mention that. Can you use her ability in this space? Tag, you're it. Also, she's ugly.
That was uncalled for.
That is what happens when you do not think before you act. Don't run at someone if you don't know their ability. She's a certified psychopath, by the way. So you can use her abilities in there. Okay. That's why she's a psycho. She doesn't want that. Can't just do that. He also has his reasons. You're not the only one. Seriously? Okay. That is why you read the blueprints. You ask all the questions before starting the game. He always does that. That's annoying.
Believe in yourself.
Also, who are you? You were about to abandon them. You suck. But who's that guy? You're just going to listen to a random guy you've never met before. Who is it? He's gonna kill you. That's what he's gonna do.
That is suspicious.
See? He's with the Port Mafia, isn't it? Wow. Well. Who is he? Oh, she's terrifying. Look at her, she looks unsettled.
What's wrong, little girl?
What? Who is he? Is he the leader? Hey, yo!
Knew it, I knew it, I knew it.
Vita sexualis. Why is that? That was episode 12. They got confronted. The detective. They got confronted by the guild. The guild from America. The guy who's really think really high of himself. Think everything can be bought. And there was the girl who made people disappear in a little own personal space, a domain expansion, if you will. We also met the leader of the Port Mafia, who he was pretending to be a doctor. Well, as if we were to take his word, he's an ex-doctor. So, and again, Atsushi is at time annoying. He was ready to abandon his friends. I get that he was scared, but still, and he trusts everyone. He didn't even question the fact that someone who's pretending to be an ex-doctor wasn't surprised by the abilities, first of all, wasn't even scared, and was basically ready to fight. That doesn't strike him as I don't know, a flag there that person might not be normal. Anyway, this was the finale, I believe, of season 1, and I look forward to season 2, so I suppose I'll see you then. Until that, thank you for watching, bye bye.